Why does your scanner show the P1507 engine code? What does it mean? P1507 is a diagnostic trouble code for idle air control underspeed error. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected an engine idle speed that is out of the specifications set by the manufacturer. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty IAC valve, contaminated IACV passageways, damaged IAC valve wiring, vacuum leaks. Faulty ECM. Mechanical issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Toyota, Honda, and Subaru models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.